On your Stripe dashboard, you want to click on this plus icon at the top right of the screen. Then choose on the subscription option just below it. You may ignore all the text that say test in it, like this one, create a test subscription. It should be create a subscription. And it's appear like that only because I make this video on a test mode, so you will not see this on your own screen. Before creating a subscription on Stripe, you got to address your customer first, so click on this button. Then choose their name or email if you already have any, or add them by typing in their own email, and tap the enter or return button on your keyboard. After that, you want to add your customer's name, and hit on the Add Customers button over here. Add the subscription details. On the product option, you may choose your available product, or you may also create a new one by clicking on the Add New Product button. On this page, you may add the name of your product and add a little description, explaining of what your product do, and also adding the image for your own subscription product. Then on the pricing, make sure you are choosing on the recurring button, so people will have to pay weekly, monthly, or so on for your product subscription. You may also choose one-off if you want the subscription you have to be paid by one time only. Then scroll down a bit, and on the billing period, you may choose the time of the customer has to pay for your subscription product. You may also customize more pricing option if you like, or adjust the amount of your unit quantity and hit the Add Product button over here. On this page, click on the date under the duration section. Then choose until when you can provide your subscription for your customers. After that, you may scroll down. On the bill monthly starting, you may set up what is the date that you want the bill to be sent to your customer, and customize the free trial day if you want to have any. If you scroll down again, on the subscription settings, you may customize the billing to be sent at the start by turning on this bill upfront toggle switch. Then on the payment, you may choose to automatically charge their card by choosing this option and hit on Add a Payment Method button and start to add their card information number. Or you may choose to email them directly by choosing on the option below it and set up when is the last date they can pay for your subscription and turning on this payment page so they can see the invoice more clearly. Then on the payment methods, you want to click on Manage option and then choose what is the best payment option for your customers. For example, I want to choose only for credit or debit card and also Cash App, so just turning on those two and hit the Save button. And you may scroll down again for a bit and see the advanced settings of the invoice. Then you can click on Select a Template button if you have any template, or you may just add the description for the invoice, add some invoice memo, and also add some invoice footer and other fields if you want. You may preview your invoices by clicking on Invoice section over here, and you may see all the different or changes that you make before. And after you are good with everything, click on Create Subscription button over here, and you are good to go. If you choose to charge them automatically on the payment method before, the customer's card will automatically deduct on every month or every billing period that you choose before. And on the customer side, more or less, these are the email of the invoice that they will see if you choose to charge them by email beforehand. So this email basically is gonna be automatically sent by Stripe on every billing period that you choose before, either monthly, weekly, or so on. So you don't need to send the invoice billing manually. And they may scroll down and download the invoice over here. And also they may click on Pay this invoice button to pay for the billing with credit or debit card. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.